technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Let's now move on, viewers, and shift our focus to the latest coming in from Karnataka. And there is a video of Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, viewers, that is currently going viral. And we'll tell you a little bit more about this video because this video has stoked a big controversy as well in the state of Karnataka. Because in this video, he actually can be heard singing the RSS's anthem, and that too in the state assembly. Listen in.
नमस्ते सदा वत्सले मातृभूमि अध्यक्ष हिंदू भूमि सुगम वर्धितोहम महामंगले नमस्ते सदा वत्सले मातृभूमि अध्यक्ष हिंदू भूमि सुगम वर्धितोहम महामंगले.
Now, this particular video that's currently going viral, viewers, prompted the Bharatiya Janata Party to take a jibe at the Congress over its criticisms of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mention of the organization, the RSS, in his Independence Day speech. And then, after the criticism, we have a clarification coming in from D.K. Shivkumar, the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka himself. He said that he is a Congress since birth and for life, and he has got no plans at all to join hands with the BJP. Listen in.
No. I am a born congressman. My blood, my life, everything is there. But I have made a research on non-political parties. I made a big research on non-political parties. I know how RSS is building institutions in Karnataka. I, being a leader, I made research. They are acquiring every schools in every district, taluk headquarters, investing a lot of money. They are trying to preach children. So as a leader, I should know who are my opponents and who are my friends. So I just try to know about the RSS, the history of RSS. I know them. Politically, we have a lot of differences. That is a different issue. But BJP also should know that I have gone very deep to them. Directing, no joining hands, nothing. I am a congressman. I will lead the Congress by pillar, by birth, by life.
Let's now go across to my colleague Neha Hebale joining us live right now for more on this. Neha, good morning. It's interesting. After this 73-second video of the clip went viral, we had a justification coming in from Mr. D.K. Shivkumar himself, wherein he tried to suggest that, he's just trying to know about the history of RSS, because according to him, it is important to know about friends as well as opponents. And then he also went on to clarify that there is no question of him joining hands with the BJP. But the question really is, why was he singing RSS's anthem, and that too in the assembly?
Well, of course, if you're to look at this politically with a prism here, it would, possibly have larger messaging, is what the BJP here in the state of Karnataka says. In fact, remember, of course, even as D.K. Shivkumar sang the RSS anthem on the floor of the assembly, there were a lot of praises that came in from the opposition BJP legislators here, and we heard, of course, them cheering on as well. Nationally, we've seen BJP leaders coming forth and stating that, leaders like Shashi Tharoor, leaders like D.K. Shivkumar are required in the Congress party. And with all of this being said, of course, even as we questioned D.K. Shivkumar there himself exclusively, what he said is that he's merely trying to understand that he's done a lot of research on these political parties, and that whenever there is something good about some organizations, that needs to be praised. Of course, this also comes at a time now when nationally there's a massive row that's been sparked off over the anger that Congress leaders have been portraying towards RSS after the Prime Minister's speech as well. While, of course, this debate refuses to die down here, the Deputy Chief Minister on the floor of the assembly, of course, singing the RSS anthem has ruffled a lot of feathers in the state.
Neha, he's a politician. He's a seasoned politician out there, a senior leader of the Congress party as well. And any act by him is going to be taken very, very seriously. So I want to understand from you what's more than what's really meeting the eye here. Because, we know he harbors aspirations of becoming the Chief Minister of Karnataka, even though publicly in the recent past he's denied all of that. But is he trying to send a political message to the High Command here in Delhi by doing something like this?
Well, of course, questions being raised about whether this was, political messaging there that was being sent to the Congress High Command, because that's what, of course, the BJP has been saying here, that, the infighting within the Congress party, the cracks, the gaps there are quite evident, and questions now that we took to the Deputy Chief Minister being raised by the BJP about whether this was indirect messaging there to the High Command as he sang the RSS anthem on the floor of the Assembly. Of course, he's denied that there. He said that, this was merely nothing, that he's always been a congressman and he would lead the Congress from the front to the right till the last pillar. With all of this being said, as the BJP continues to, of course, raise questions here about the Congress High Command, the messaging that's being sent to them by the Deputy Chief Minister, it really remains to be seen where this political debate dies down.
Okay, we've been getting the reactions from the leaders of the BJP, but I want to understand from you, how have other leaders of the Congress party reacted to this clip of DK Shivkumar going viral, him singing RSS anthem?
While many Congress leaders, of course, have refused to comment on this, directing us back to the Deputy Chief Minister and seeking a clarification from him, a few supporters of the Deputy Chief Minister here have said that, this shouldn't be read into too much, that there's nothing really as far as this is concerned politically, that he was merely there responding to to a retort there by the leader of opposition, R. Ashok. Let's put this also in context now for our viewers. This entire episode played out while there was a debate going on the entire stampede issue, and while that stampede issue came up, and while you had, of course, R. Ashok there raising questions about, DK Shivkumar saying that he had once worn an RSS trouser, you have the Deputy Chief Minister responding to that teasing, saying, in fact, singing this anthem. Of course, we'll really have to wait and see divided opinions coming in from the Congress party on this particular issue.
All right, Neha, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story. We'll keep coming back